Step into the 2015 Ford Explorer. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.